Welcome to this guide on the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test. In this video, we will explore a powerful statistical tool used for paired data, specifically when the standard assumptions for other tests are not met. The Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test is a non-parametric hypothesis test. It is primarily used to compare two related samples, matched samples, or repeated measurements on a single sample to assess whether their population mean ranks differ. Think of it as the sibling to the paired t-test, but for situations where data doesn't follow a normal distribution. So, when is this test the right choice? First, your data must be paired, like before and after measurements. Second, use this if your population is not normally distributed, meaning it is skewed. It is also useful when your sample size is small or if your data is ordinal rather than continuous. You might wonder, why not just use the standard paired t-test? The t-test requires your data to strictly follow a normal distribution. It is also very sensitive to outliers, which can skew your results. The Wilcoxon test does not assume normality and uses ranks instead of raw values, making it much more robust against outliers. Let's walk through the process. Step 1 is to calculate the differences between your paired observations. For every subject, subtract the pre-test value from the post-test value. If the difference is 0, we typically exclude that pair from the analysis. Step 2 involves ranking. First, we take the absolute value of the differences we just calculated, effectively ignoring the negative signs. Then, we sort these absolute differences from smallest to largest. The smallest difference gets rank 1, the next gets rank 2, and so on. If there are ties, we assign the average rank to those values. In step 3, we bring the signs back. Look at your original differences. If a difference was negative, its assigned rank becomes negative. If the difference was positive, the rank remains positive. This preserves the direction of the change. Now, we calculate the test statistic, W sum up all the positive ranks to get W+, and sum up the absolute values of the negative ranks to get W-. The test statistic W is simply the smaller of these two sums. To interpret your results, you have two methods. You can compare your calculated W to a critical value from a reference table. If W is less than or equal to the critical value, you reject the null hypothesis. Alternatively, most software will give you a p-value. If the p-value is less than your significance level, usually 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis, indicating a significant difference. To summarize, the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test is your go-to robust alternative for paired data when normality is violated. It relies on the ranks of differences rather than raw values, protecting your analysis from outliers and skewed distributions. Always remember to check your assumptions before choosing your test.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.